In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact a seller on Fiverr.com. So if you need to contact a seller for whatever reason, if you are wanting a project done and you want to ask them specific questions about that project and what they can offer you, what you can simply do is, for example, if I just go over to video and animation, and then I will select the video editing tab here. Once I go over to that and I choose somebody that I want to edit my project, so for example here, I will just click on this first search result, and if I want to contact this guy about his services, what I can do is simply come over to the contact seller button right here on the right hand side, and sometimes you will have a drop down menu. So if I go back, actually I will show you the drop down menu. So if I click on home, what I will do is I will go over to this guy, for example, and if I click on this guy, as you can see, this guy has a drop down menu, and what this means is you can ask for a quote or you can ask a question. So if you are wanting a quote for your project, you can click on get a quote, and if you want to ask a general question, you can click on ask a question. If you click on get a quote here, what that will do is it will redirect you over to this page, and as you can see, you will need to enter in your requirements into this box here, and then you can click on continue. So all I have put is set up Facebook ads account, and you can click on continue once you have done that. And then you can add in a description, and you can attach files by clicking on this here. And you can also click on whatever social media platforms which is most relevant to your project. And you can also click on one of these if you want to do that. Once you have done that and you click on continue, that will send over all of the information to the seller, and they will get back to you with a quote. And all you need to do if you want to ask a question is click on the drop down menu once again, click on the ask a question tab here, and all you simply need to do is enter in your question into this box here. Obviously you will put in a more descriptive question here, and obviously it will be related to your project. You can add a file here by clicking on this little paperclip icon, and once you are happy you can click on the send button right here. So once you click on send, what that will do is it will send your question over to the seller, and then they will get back to you into your message inbox. So that's how you can go ahead and ask a question on Fiverr.com. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments down below, drop a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.